Hello everyone, I'm Patrick. Welcome to Freename. Today we're going to take a look at our platform. In particular, we're going to take a look at our latest tool, which is the Explorer tool. So let's dive right in. Okay, so here we are in our homepage. We have our huge search bar where you can search for TLDs and domains, of course. But today we're not going to use it. Today we're going to do a little bit of a research because we want to know a little bit more about the landscape. Let's say we want to know what TLDs have been registered. We want to know what domains have been registered for each TLD. So the thing we're going to do is just to click on Explorer. And here we are. Here we have the list of every TLD that has been registered on Freename. So remember, these are all TLDs because inside of every TLD that has at least one domain registered on it, you can see that the domains button will be blue and you can click on it and see the list of every domain that has been registered under that TLD. So let's say I want to search for .moon because that's my favorite TLD for some reason. I like stargazing, so here we are. We have the .moon TLD, and I want to know what domains are there. I want to know if there's room to spare. I want to know if there's something I can take advantage of, so I just click on domains. Okay, so here we are. This is the complete list of all the domains that have been registered under the .moon TLD. I can use this list just to get an idea of what are the most requested words. I can see what's already been registered, and maybe I can get some inspiration. So here we see nasa.moon, which I quite like as a name, so I'm gonna go ahead and search for it directly. And since it has already been taken, as I saw from the list, I'm just gonna change the sub-level domain to something which is nearer to me, being an European. So I'm just gonna go ahead and search for ESA.moon because I wanna have another space agency on the .moon TLD. And I'm gonna go ahead and add to cart. And there you go. This is the Explorer function. Thank you for watching.